how are you automating your podcast agency now? How are you leveraging AI to make your systems better?
Well, just like you, Mark, I try them all. And that's, the time that it saves me, I probably am replacing it with trying all the other ones as well. But I learned early in this business when I started doing this podcasting business and I wanted it to be just primarily audio. I learned as I was going through it, podcasters, they don't just care about the audio, they care about video. They care about all the stuff that goes into that video, the show notes, the keywords, all the stuff that your TubeBuddy might do for you. And they don't have time for all of this stuff. They don't have time to make the audio sound good. They don't have time to make all of the stuff after the episode, like videos and the snippets and the shorts and all the things to promote the show that you just did. Because the show that you do is just the start, right? You've got to promote it afterwards. And so I was always looking for ways to shorten that. And just like everyone else, I've got pain points too. And one of my pain points was writing show notes. Couldn't stand it. I'm like, okay, let me just take the guest's bio and post it in that thing. That'll work, right? But guess what? That guest's bio is all over the internet, right? What is differentiating what you're doing? What is speaking to your audience about that particular guest? And so you have to weave in something with your own voice that speaks to your audience. And so I'm always experimenting with AI. I've been doing it for years. I mean, it doesn't mean that you have to start from scratch, from a piece of paper and a pencil. I'm not a graphic artist, right? But people are complimenting me about my thumbnails and all my graphics and things. You don't think that I don't use Canva, I don't use Adobe Spark, it's not called Spark anymore, but Easel, all of these things to start with a template and then just kind of weave in my own DNA in that thing and create something using my human discernment and do something that's on brand for that particular client. You can do the same thing with show notes. You can do the same thing with tags for your videos that are promoting that particular podcast. You could do quotes, stamps. You could do scripts. All of those things can be done with AI, specifically the one that I love, and we're going to talk a little bit about, and I talked to you about at Podfest, Mark, and that is Swell.ai. Huge fan of what they're doing there. Huge fan of Descript. And what Swell is doing right now is kind of what I noticed Descript was doing early in the game, is they're constantly improving it. I'm getting an email every couple of days, every week, that's saying, hey, now you can do this customization. Now you can do this. Now you can do this.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link, check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.